วันนี้คือวันสุดท้ายที่เราอยู่ที่แบมฟ์นะคะอยู่ในเมืองที่ชื่อแคนมอร์นะคะคือเป็นเมืองที่อยู่ไม่ไกลจากที่พักของเรานะคะเดี๋ยวจะให้เร็กซ์บอกว่าเราจะไปไหนบ้าง
We're trying to go to Grassy Lake first. Then we're gonna drive around Spey Lake.
So we explore Canmore town.
Canmore town in the area of Kananaskis.
Follow us and see how it looks like.
So these are mountain goats, and they like to lick rocks for salt. Hey guys, how are you? Oh, they're arguing.
Guys,
Nah, he's actually mating.
look at this goat, not afraid of the car.
They're kind of stupid.
We're gonna run over him.
Bah. Bah.
When the storm comes, the rocks roll down.
This is a nice view here, guys.
Some goats.
What is this called?
This is called Whitman's Pond. Watch out for the mountain goats.
Oh, wow.
How the mountains?
Wait, they're coming. They're coming for us. Don't open all the way. It's coming for us. Hi. Look like he's covered by mud. Hello. It's like mama goat, daddy goat, baby goat. He's like, why? Okay, we're gonna walk to the border of the lake. And again, guys, this area called Kananaskis is very beautiful.
I want to throw a rock.
Yeah, we're gonna take picture right here. We're gonna set the camera here and get the lake and the mountain background. Okay guys, this is our last day of the trip, so we're gonna try all the yummy food today. This is a French bakery called Le Fouquenil, so follow me and see what they have inside. Let's go, come on in. Oh, definitely good food. Hi.
How are you?
Good, this is our first time here. So. Try everything. Don't you want the strawberry?
I want the raspberry.
You want the raspberry? So we got everything we need, and let's try it outside.
Awesome. I can try blue juice.
First one in. Very good. Like mousse and coconut. Okay guys, this is the third one that we're gonna try, and this is called the pistachio. It's like pistachio cream mousse. ตอนนี้นะคะเราอยู่ที่ downtown Canmore นะคะ เดี๋ยวเราจะไปเดินเล่นในบริเวณรอบๆ downtown Canmore เขามีทางเดินรอบๆทะเลสาบนะคะ เดี๋ยวเราไปดูกัน This is like really cute little town. They have a coffee shop all around. We already show you the nice French bakery, which is really good. Look at that. They have a little bench for you to sit. And what is this? Police. This is a police station? Oh, police station. Look at that. This is really cute. This is like Lana Tippy house. It's really cute and warm in here, right?
Yeah, and what is that rope up there?
Here, they try to set up the tippy, so they use the rope. So guys, this is called the Bow River. My name! It's actually my name. We're gonna explore this boardwalk. Because it's next to the police station, right, Daddy? Yep. It looks like a swamp with a river, and I can hear the bird from here.